So today I wanted to show you a few things that I did with my May Kinleigh's DoodleBox, my favorite box. So we always get these nice cards, and what I do is I like to laminate them. And on this one, before I laminated the back of it, I used some coordinating washi that I had, and then I added one of those clear pockets so that the post-it note can be placed in there. And the way I do it is I leave the top note over the top of it so that I can rip that off when I'm done. And then of course it's got the other side all ready to go right when I grab my book. So a few other things. I love the acetate this month, but there was a cute little journal card to do, so I laminated that so that I could use a dry erase pen. And again, using one of the dividers, I put one of these clear pockets on so that I'd have a spot to put it. I like to make folders, and this one is my idea of my secret folder where you could put notes that you don't want to be seen by other people in case you're flipping through. So what I did was I made this folder, and then I trimmed down one of the journal cards over here. On the left side, I made a washi card of the coordinating washi, which actually hides my little secret note. Again, I put a clear pocket on this side, and there's my note, so now you know the secret. And that goes into one of the really nice, you can see the picture here, but three of these came with the kit, and I love those clear pockets that we can use, and obviously the rest of that is fine. Here's another type of folder that I made with last month's kit. So I just, cut and used some permanent tape on the sides, and it's a place to put journal cards or little stickers, and I hope you enjoyed that.